Hey, YouTube, what's happening? What it is, what it do? Welcome back, brand new episode, Money Mitch TV. This is your boy Sneakerhead Money Mitch, back like I never left, back with another review, unboxing, all that good stuff. This is actually a recap of something I already went over with y'all. So without further ado, let's get it, man. You see the box, you see the bag, you already know what's happening. If you watch my previous videos, you already know what these is. Without further ado, they just like I left them too. Also, I didn't show you guys this in that last video. That is my Wish Atlanta receipt. Just want to make sure that clear for y'all. You did. All right, now I got that out of the way. All the way out the way. Fresh up out the Bizox. I said, fresh up out the Bizox. Jordan 1. Dang, man. They is exactly like I left them in that last video. This one is still unlaced. And this one is just like I left it. Still laced up, all that good stuff. So, last video I went over these things with you, told you they had 4 different laces, all that good stuff. Had that mustard on their top with their granddaddy perk. You can see hints of that Chi-Town red up under these things. Black laces come in these guys, but you can switch them out how you like them. So I've been talking for a while. I've been telling y'all on feet is on the way. Well, get what? On feet is happening today. So your boy Sneakerhead, me, Money Mitch, man, I have not done on feet for y'all in a while, man. I don't know why, because this is no flexing or nothing. I feel like I rock Jordan pretty dope. I feel like I rock them to the best that anybody can rock them. You know what I'm saying? Everybody should feel like that. So I've been telling y'all I'm gonna do on feet, all that good stuff for y'all, which I ain't forgot, which I still gonna do. Like right now, I got on these goddamn 97. I still ain't did on feet for y'all on these. Bro, I had a lace tutorial and everything on these. That video, I don't know what happened. But here nor there, we talking about these things today and their on feet. So what I'm probably gonna do is hit y'all folks with all these laces. I don't know about the perk, but I may. They gonna take a second though. So when you got these Jordan that come with like 4 different laces, it's not quick and simple to do these on feet, man. I wanna give y'all a couple different looks with a couple different laces, man. Hope y'all enjoy what y'all about to see, man. If y'all still watching the video at this point, right now, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you already ain't, man, go ahead and subscribe. I try to make a word up on that one. Subscribe to that channel for your boy. She say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Gotta hop down street from Holyfield, grind and get the cake. Tryna cash out on a couple meal poker. Now, without further ado, man, on feet, man. Let's get it, man. Alright, man. Hope y'all enjoyed that on feet, man. I tried to give y'all a little bit of everything, man. I ain't want to do too much. I ain't want to do too many of the same looks. You feel me? So, man, if y'all enjoyed that content, man, drop a like. If you still ain't subscribe, go ahead and subscribe to the channel for your boy, man. I definitely appreciate y'all, man. Y'all the MVP, man. Thank y'all for taking that time out to rock with your boy today, man. For real. No cap, man. I appreciate that, man. Without while. But I ain't gonna wait no more of y'all time, man. Y'all be blessed, man. Enjoy the rest of the afternoon, night, daytime, whatever time it is. When you tuning in watching Money Mitch TV. And like your boy Sneaker here, Money Mitch, always tell you, man, make sure you always, man, like what you rock, man. And rock what you like. Cha-ching. Gang, man. I'm out.
She say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Gotta hop down street from Holyfield, grind and get the cake. Tryna cash out on a couple mil, poker face on, just to show the hater I'm for real. You can't stop my grind, cause a nigga like me, I'ma shine. I'ma always be by my you haters, y'all just wasting time.